Install an O-ring in less than 2 minutes. Magic Lube, link below. I'm gonna take your O-rings and cover them in Magic Lube. Use about the size of an eraser head of lube on them. You're gonna work your fingers around in a clockwise motion, pushing the O-ring in. Most of the time we're gonna get a little loop at the end, and we're gonna just keep working our fingers around in a circle and force that loop into the groove. See, when we push it down, it may pop up in another spot. That's the loop coming up under the O-ring in the groove. If we're having trouble, I'll flip the O-ring around. Do the same thing, work it around. Keeping pressure on that O-ring at all times. Once we get it in there, we're going to continue to work our fingers around in a circular motion till it's completely flush. You can see that O-ring is locked in there. Let's do it again. Circular motion, pushing the O-ring in and also holding it in place with our thumbs as we're working it around. This will take a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy. See, we have some lube around the edge. We're always going to want to clean that up after we're done to ensure we're not trapping dirt. Excess lube will always attract dirt and cause it to leak. So clean your O-ring regularly. If this video brought you value, please subscribe. Videos will be posted on Wednesdays. And if you'd like to support us, become a member today.